terrorist group attack Kwara state communities. Now, look at this. Bandits attack 3 Kwara communities, abduct businessman and woman, kill 1, Sahara reporters, July 6. The second one, new terrorist group, Mahmuda, launches fresh attack on Kwara community, Sahara reporters, April 19. Sahara reporters reported again. Bandits launch second brutal attack on Kwara community as residents flee in panic. August 14. Now, under daily trust, residents flee Kwara villages over attacks. All these are what Kwara states are now experiencing. But the major issue here is that are Yariba people concerned about these attacks in Kwara states? No. All this way they happen even concern Yariba people. Why? Instead of Yariba people to focus their energy to solve the problem of their people in Kwara states, they are busy attacking P2B. Instead of them to focus on Kwara states to end the terror attacks there, they are busy changing the names of streets in Lagos that have Igbo names. Instead of Yariba people to focus on Kwara State, they are busy attacking Igbo people. You hardly see Yariba people coming online on TikTok, Twitter, to talk about the problems in their region, to talk about how to tackle it. No be that one that they talk, their problem is P2B, 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 P2B. All the time they are dragging obedient people, now them. You will see Yariba people on TikTok gather, saying that Anyama people are not Igbos, Igbos leave Anyama people alone, Anyama people are not Igbos. Terrorists are killing their people in Kwara State. They are not talking about it now. Igbo be their problem. The person in power is Tinubu, their brother. None of them is dragging Tinubu. Instead of them to drag Tinubu that is in power while their own people are dying in Kwara State, they are busy dragging P2B. Ndi Ozwai. Those fake Yariba pastors, those fake jet pastors, all of them are nowhere to be found. During the administration of Goodluck Jonathan, Ndigbo was protesting. He protested against Jonathan. There's one other Ozwai that calls himself a pastor. His name is Pastor Tunde Bakare. He's a Yariba man. This fake pastor was busy protesting against Goodluck Jonathan, laying curses on himself and not Goodluck Jonathan. This man was laying curses on Goodluck Jonathan, saying that he shall never be well with Goodluck Jonathan. He shall never be well with the children and children of Goodluck Jonathan. He was laying so many curses. Go to the internet, you will see the video there. Today that a Yariba man called Tinubu is in power, this idiot that calls himself a pastor, Pastor Tunde Bakare, he is nowhere to be found. I call such people an idiot because he's truly an idiot. Ndigbo protested against Jonathan. He's nowhere to be found today. Fake Pastor Tunde Bakare is nowhere to be found today. Professor Wole Soyinka was protesting against Goodluck Jonathan. He protested. All these ones, the waka crowd for their back, they protest. Today, their own brother, a Yariba man, is in power. None of them is outside to protest. Even when terrorists, they kill their own people for Yariba land, Tinubu government won't finish Yariba people. They are dying every day. No Yariba pastor is there to protest. No Yariba pastor is dragging Tinubu online. But those idiots are everywhere online during Goodluck Jonathan administration, barking like dogs. All those Igbo people that are going to Yariba churches will not be problem. These Yariba pastors are very evil. They're not good. People that were protesting against our own brother Goodluck Jonathan, they are nowhere to protest against their own brother Tinubu. Go Adeboye church, Igbo people full there. Una sense matter and say this Adeboye na tribalistic woman, this Adeboye na liar. This man is deceiving you people. Tunde Bakare go in church now, you go see some Igbo people when don't know themselves go there in church. They call the mumu daddy. Your own brother, they power. See, your people in Kwara state are dying. They not fit sleep with their two eyes closed. You are nowhere to protest. No Yariba pastor is dragging Tinubu. Shame not they catch Yariba people. Yariba people, you people are so tribalistic. Even when that tribalism is killing you, you are still tribalistic to call out your own brother a problem. I've been saying this thing for so long, but people will be like, you just they talk rubbish. Yariba people, you people will soon go into extinction. Tribalism will lead you people into extinction. Una go stop to exist sooner. Why? You are not fighting your problems. Instead, you are turning blind eye to your problem, fighting Igbo people while the enemy is striking. Now here on a day they implement Sharia law for our land. Today now, terrorist organizations are taking over your land. You people can no longer sleep in your communities. Una fake Yariba brothers who call themselves pastors, they deceive una. People will protest against Jonathan. You reach their own brother, they not fit protest. Is that not enough reason for you people to know that these pastors are fake? Religious leaders work now today, drag politicians to make life better for the people. But instead, politicians are using these fake pastors to lie to their members, to make their members to keep depending on God instead of to depend on government. Now God will give una light. Now God will build road for una. Now God will build school for una. Now God will give una security. People will get bulletproof car, private jets. They tell you to depend on God. Why they themselves, they move with DSS, army, police, mopo. And as they talk, and you go see many Ozwa, go they comment section, they say, stop talking about that, the GO, Ozwa, more. Mumu where be say, Fulanis, but don't scatter in community finish. They online, they defend pastor. Tribalism will destroy Yariba land. They thought I'm joking. Afonja, the king of Ilorin, was busy fighting with his fellow Yariba people. Fighting war, they kill, they invade each other. He went and hired Fulani people to come and help him fight his own Yariba people. After Fulani people fought on his side, those same Fulani people killed Afonja and took over the throne. Today, the royal dynasty in Ilorin are Fulani people. They have taken over Ilorin. If they do Oduduwa King's meeting for Yariba land, Ilorin King not they come because he is not Oduduwa, he is Fulani. Today, Yariba people are still doing that same thing. By leaving their problem and focusing their anger and their venom on Igbo people. Why it is these people called Yariba not go into extinction? Invaders are trying to take you instead of focusing on your people. Now Igbo be your problem. Now P2B be your problem. Or Zwai not good. So many Yariba people are Afonja in nature. They don't care what is important to their people. All they do is to fight people when they fight them. That is called Afonja Yariba. Afonja nature. Afonja behavior. They don't care about their land. They just care about Igbo people. To they fight Igbo people. To they fight their fellow Yariba. They get another Yariba where they say they be tribalistic in nature. Tribalism don't kill them finish. They can never say the truth. Those are the ones fighting Igbo people. These two set of Yariba people, they're no good. Come to Igbo land. We have our own issues here. We are fighting our own issues. We not also say Yariba people be the reason why all these insecurity things they happen for Southeast. We are fighting it ourselves. But this is what they happen for Kwara State now. Instead of Yariba people to blame Tinubu for not providing security, so many of the Mumu people they online they drag P2B. Also why? The enemy is at your doorstep. No be that one be your problem. Instead of dragging Tinubu, no be your problem, no be your problem. Your problem are Igbo people. Igbo people be your problem. Igbos are solving their problem. You are still focusing on Igbo people. They look for street name where you go change for Lagos. Why? Terrorists and bandits have occupied so many of your communities. We Igbos, we will continue to focus on our problem in this country. We will focus on our problem. We will fight our problem. Our problem in Igbo land is disunity, and we are fighting it. We are dragging our politicians that are not doing well. We dey drag our politicians to give us security. We dey do video, they call our politicians name, they drag them. Even pastor wey dey Igbo land, we dey drag them. Even Dibia, we dey drag them. Even king, we dey drag them. But Yariba people, we Igbos are doing everything possible to make Igbo land better on our own now, to just live on our problem for Yariba land. They drag Igbo people. Only you Yariba people will come and say, nah, the number people are not Igbo people, Inquire people are not Igbo people, Ukwuani people are not Igbo people. You there Yariba land, they talk about Anyama people history, they talk Inquire people history, why Fulani have taken over Ilorin. They are not trying to take over other Kwara state territories. And Igbo is your problem. Only you and I get fake pastor. Only you and I get fake professor. Only you and I get tribalism. Only you and I get afonja. Everything betray ya to the backbite Igbo people and the only two know. You people will go into extinction. Don't worry. If you keep up with this evil character of fighting people that are not fighting you, you will go into extinction. Ishiagwale.